Morning mga sir, actually, correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm not mistaken. With regards of lanyards, there is four different color. First is blue, second is white blue,
Naku, pag nagbayaran yan.
third yellow,
Nagbayaran
and
yan.
last but not the least is yellow blue. Alright. First lanyards blue, if I'm not mistaken, meaning blue is on like SG Miranda,
Yellow is the officer.
while other one is white blue. There's kind of possible position like SIC, roving, etc. As long he are already, what do you call this, testing, while yellow lanyard is on symbolism of officer
Pang-officer pa
like
lang yung yellow.
OIC, Assistant Detachment Commander, and Detachment Commander, while other color, last but not the least, yellow and blue is symbolism of high rank, which is possible inspector, senior inspector, operation, and high rankings. Thank you.
Ngayon ko lang pala alam yan sir eh.
Hirap, binibideo ako sir, kaya napang-English tuloy ako dito.
Naku,
Maganda yan sir para
bayaran yan.
maraming hindi nakakalam yan.
May vlogger tayo.